Mughal military companion. Babur, the first Mughal emperor, 1526 to 1530, succeeded to the throne of Fargana in 1494 when he was only 12 years old. He was forced to leave his ancestral throne due to the invasion of another Mongol group, the Uzbeks. After years of wandering, he seized Kabul in 1504. In 1526, he defeated the Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, at Panipat and captured Delhi and Agra. बाबर, द फर्स्ट मुगल एम्परर. बाबर मुगल बादशाहों के पहले बादशाह थे. उनके 1526 से 1530 तक शासन किया. सक्सीड द थ्रोन, उनकी कांटों जैसी सक्सीड थी, मतलब इतनी अच्छी उन्होंने सक्सेस अपने जीवन में लाई. और ही वॉज फोर्स टू लीव हिज एंसेंट्रल. एंसेंट्रल मीन्स होता है पैतृक, मतलब पूर्वजों. थ्रोन ड्यू टू इन्वेंशन, आक्रमण की वजह से उन्होंने मंगोल ग्रुप को फोर्स किया कि छोड़ो. और फिर उन्होंने उज्बेक आफ्टर वेंडरिंग हिज साइज्ड काबुल 1504. 1526 में उन्होंने दिल्ली के सुल्तान इब्राहिम लोदी को हराकर पानीपत एंड कैप्चर दिल्ली एंड आगरा. टेबल 1 चार्ट सम ऑफ द मेजर कंपेनियंस of Mughals. Study it carefully and see if you can notice any long term were an immediate threat to Mughal authority. Note the relationship between the Mughals and amongst the Sikh and Mewar and Marwad. How was Humayun's relationship with Safed Iran different from Akbar's? Did the annexation of Golconda and Bijapur in Aurangzeb region and hostilities in the Deccan? इसके बाद का बता रहा है कि मेवाड़, मारवाड़ और उसके अकबर का कैसा रहता है, गोलकोंडा बीजापुर में औरंगजेब का शासनकाल कैसा रहता है, उसके बारे में यहाँ पर बातचीत है.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ. मम्मी ना भी ना, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि ना बाबा जो मुझे मैंने और मैं कुत्तों के सामने रहता हूँ तो मैं डरता नहीं हूँ. बस बाबा जी बोलते पीछे खड़े रहो. कुत्तों
तेरी आँख लाल क्यों हुई है?
बोलो तो पता करके बता दूंगा आपको. पापा जी को फोन की तो मेरे को कुछ इतना आइडिया नहीं. मेरे को उससे क्या डागा से निकाल सको
तो है ना. डागा तो ये भी है ना, इसके पैर वाले डागा ही तो है. प्रत्यक्ष रुक के बैठ नहीं सकता है क्या?
भावना के पैर वाले ही.
हाँ, तो मैं क्यों उसी को पूछने में क्या अर्थ है?
और इनके फिर बाद में याद है पापा जी बोले तो इनकी जो बहुत बेटी की बहुत ही ना वो लगी स्कूल में मास्टर में थी. बोले वो एक ही तो मुझे डाका मुझे डाका के तो समझ जाए दुकान तो जाना मुझे डाका भी याद
तो वो एक आगरा का सपन आया था ना, बोले कि आ सकते हैं देखने के लिए ऐसे वैसे. कल की परसों ही तो अपने आगे ही बोले थे. हाँ कि है ना कि वो आ सकते हैं, आगरा का है, जब देखने के लिए आ सकते हैं. मालूम नहीं वो आगरा वाले ही है क्या दिल्ली में? वो बोले आगरा आएंगे तो यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं. नहीं वो बोले थे आगरा आएंगे तो मैं कि यहीं आ जाइए. इतना ही वो तो बोले थे. कौन है कौन नहीं ये नहीं पता. वो बोल
जाएगा मम्मी के चैन इतना बुरा लगेगा ना.
पहले तो कितना लगा होंगे।
हाँ
अब जब बात छेड़ी हुई है तब जगह जगह से भाई आएगा तो
हाँ,
सभी
जगह
जगह से।
जगह अब मैं देखो, फालतू में इतना साल हो गया, अब याद नहीं है किसी बात को।
Mughal emperors, major companion and events. Babur, 1526 to 1530. 1526 defeated Ibrahim Lodi and his Afghan supporters at Panipat. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi at supported at Panipat. 1527 defeated Rana Sanga, Rajput rulers and allies at Khawna. 1528 defeated the Rajput at Chanderi, established control over Agra and Delhi before his death. Humayun, 1530 to 1540. Humayun divided his inheritance according to the will of his father. His brothers were each given a province. The ambitions of his brother Mirza Kamran weakened Humayun's cause against Afghan competitors. Sher Khan defeated Humayun at Chausa 1539 and Kannauj 1540, forcing him to flee to Iran. In Iran, Humayun received help from Savid Shah. He captured Delhi in 1555 but died the next year after an accident in this building. Akbar next. Akbar was 13 years old when he became emperor. His reign can be divided into three periods: 1556 to 1570. Akbar became independent of the regent Bairam Khan and other members of his domestic staff. Military companions were launched against the Suris and other Afghan, against the neighboring kingdom of Malwa and Gondwana, and to support the revolt of his half-brother Mirza Hakim and Ubzeg. In 1568, the Sisodia capital of Chittor was seized, and in 1569 Ranthambore. Next session, 1570 to 1585. Military companions in Gujarat were followed by companions in the east in Bihar, Bengal and Odisha. These companions were complicated by the 1579 to 1580 revolt in support to Mirza Hakim. Next, third, 1585 to 1605. Expansion of Akbar Empire. Companions were launched in the northwest. Kandahar was seized from the Sabiks. Kashmir was annexed, as also Kabul after the death of Mirza Hakim. Companions in the Deccan started at Berar, Khandesh and parts of Ahmednagar were annexed. In the last year of his reign, Akbar was distracted by the rebellion of Prince Salim, the future emperor of Jahangir. Jahangir, 1605 to 1626. Military campaign started by Akbar continued. The Sisodia ruler of Mewar, Amar Singh, accepted Mughal service. Less successful campaign against the Sikh, the Ahams and Ahmednagar followed. Prince Khurram, the future emperor Shah Jahan, rebelled in the last year of his reign. The effort of Nur Jahan, Jahangir's wife, to marginalize him were unsuccessful. Shah Jahan, Mughal campaign continued by the Deccan under the Shahjahan. The Afghan noble Khan Jahan Lodi rebelled was after defeated. Companions were launched against Ahmednagar. The Bundels were defeated and ostracized. In northwest, the companion to Seyz Balak from Uzbeks was unsuccessful, and Kandahar was lost to his Safavids. In 1632, Ahmednagar was finally annexed at the Bijapur forced truce for peace. In 1657 to 1658, there was conflict over succession amongst Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb was victorious, and his three brothers, including Dara Shukh, were killed. Shah Jahan was imprisoned for rest of his life in Agra. Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707. In the northeast, the Ahams were defeated in 1663 but rebelled against in the 1680. The companion in the northwest against the Yusuf Jai and the Sikh were temporarily successful. The Mughal intervention in the Marwad, intervention in the succession and internal politics of Rathore Rajput of Marwad led to their rebellion. Companion against the Maratha chieftain Shivaji were initially successful, but Aurangzeb insulted Shivaji, who escaped from Agra, declared himself independent king, and resumed his campaign against the Mughals. Prince Akbar rebelled against Aurangzeb and received support from the Marathas' Deccan Sultan. He finally fell to the Safed Khan. After Akbar's rebellion, Aurangzeb sent armies against the Deccan Sultans. Bijapur was annexed in 1685 and Golconda in 1687. From 1698, Aurangzeb personally managed companion in Deccan against in Marathas, started guerrilla warfare. Aurangzeb also had to face the rebellion in North India of Sikh, Jats and Satnamis, in northeast of Ahams and in the Deccans of Marathas. His death was followed by a succession conflict amongst his son. ये हमने सारे मुग़ल सम्राटों की नाम पढ़ा, मुग़ल सम्राटों के नाम पढ़े और उनके बारे में पढ़ा कि उन्होंने कितने से कितने शासन काल तक, उन्होंने कितने वर्षों तक शासनकाल किया और किसके बाद कौन सम्राट हुआ, ये हमें पता चलता है यहाँ से। किसने किसको कब डिफीट किया, ये सब हम जब इनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं तो हमें यहाँ से पर्टिकुलर एक राजा के बारे में पता चल रहा है।